Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you could join me today. Boy, do I have a treat for you. I'm going to be opening up Didi's Deluxe Bead Box for the month of February, and I'm so excited I can hardly wait. Now this will be my third box, and I know it's going to be absolutely gorgeous because the other two were absolutely gorgeous. So I'm super excited about opening it. Now if you're not familiar with Didi's Deluxe Bead Box, I'll leave a link down below so you can go check it out. Didi's Beads is a small family-owned business out of Canada, and they have an online store. I've been on it several times and I love everything they have to offer. They also have a Facebook group, and I've heard that they have some great sales on that Facebook group. They focus on designer-inspired created themes, and they usually include trendy, hard-to-find beads. And another thing that's important to know is that it's not considered a value box, okay? So you're going to get some high-quality beads and components. Also, their boxes are limited edition releases on a first-come, first-served basis. So once it's gone, guys, okay? I know the February box is already sold out, but the March box should be available soon. It goes for $29.99 plus shipping, and they ship within Canada and the US only. So if you live in Canada, guys, you'll obviously get the best shipping rates, okay? Now, if you live in the US, your shipping shouldn't be too bad. But anyway, they have a reveal day on their Facebook group on the 15th of each month. So if you want to get the notifications for that, please join their Facebook VIB group so you can learn about their monthly new releases before it gets sold out. So anyway, guys, do go to their website, check it out, check out all their products. They have wonderful pricing. I've been to their website a couple of times and checked it out, and I'm really, really impressed with all of their pricing and everything they have to offer. I'll leave a coupon code along with their website address down in the description section of this video. The coupon code is Luisa15, and it'll give you 15% off your first order towards 90% of the website listings. There are some things that you can't use it for, and one of them is the Deluxe Bead Box, but I'm sure you'll find plenty of other things that you can use it towards. So anyway, guys, please do think about it, even if you live in the US, because shipping won't be so bad, okay? And if you live in Canada, don't miss out on this great box, okay? Because I'm telling you, it is absolutely gorgeous. And by the way, I really like the idea of supporting my Canadian neighbors. I really do. Plus, it's a small woman-owned business, so that's another reason why I like supporting this company. But anyway, guys, I can't wait to open this box. So let me go ahead, turn the camera around, and we'll get started. Here it is, guys. Didi's Deluxe Bead Box all the way from Canada. I'm so excited to open up this beautiful box. It says here, inspiring your creative senses. One of the things I like about this box, though, is this sticker. It says, warning, opening this package will cause extreme happiness. And it certainly does every single time. So let's go ahead and open it. And the other thing I like about this box is that it comes beautifully packaged. Look at this, guys. So here it is. It comes with a little note. The theme of the box is Tropical Getaway. It's the February 2022 edition, as you can see. And it says, feeling the winter blues? Leave the cold behind and wander off into a tropical getaway where you can enjoy the sunny, cool breeze and warm sandy grains between your toes. Catch the breathtaking view of the blue horizon while the gentle ocean waves move inshore, leaving behind a sea of seashells to admire. Bring those dreams into reality by creating a memorable beach-themed jewelry piece using these cool, warm, tropical seaside palettes. Oh my goodness, I got the most beautiful visual just now reading this, and I can't wait to dig into this box. As you can see, there's a list of all the materials, okay, and it looks like quite a few. And down here it says, I hope this month's edition has inspired you. Happy beading. Stella. Here's the email address and the website address and the Facebook group address. So anyway, guys, let's have a look. Oh my goodness, look at these gorgeous colors. And look at this, guys. Look at this gorgeous starfish pendant. I love a beach theme because I love the beach. I'm a beach girl, and I can't wait to take a look at these beads. So let me go ahead and pull them out, and I'll organize everything, and then we'll go through each item. So here are all the items, and I am so in love with this box. I can't tell you just how gorgeous this is, okay? This is my vibe. These are my colors. I love this beautiful collection, guys. We have some gemstones in this beautiful blue color. We have other beads there. I love this orange color. We have leather cord, guys. Look at this. We have leather cord. We have charms. Look at these gorgeous charms. I can't wait to pull these charms out. And we have bronze tones, we have crystals, we have wooden beads, we have these gorgeous, the whole thing is gorgeous, okay? Let's go ahead and go through each item. So I thought we would check out the strands first. Look at this, guys. I love this one. Oh my gosh. This is a 16-inch strand of 8mm aqua blue sea sediment dyed jasper. And don't you just love these gorgeous beads? Look at these. Look at the gorgeous colors. Let me bring it up. I don't know if you guys can see just how beautiful these beads are. And I can tell that they're good quality because they're very consistent in size. And they look so perfect, guys. Sometimes with gemstones, you'll get some that are not very uniform in size. But these are definitely very uniform in size. I'm blown away by the colors and this beautiful strand. And I love the 8mm size because it's not too big, not too small. So anyway, I'm very excited about this strand. I think it's gorgeous and it's such a long strand, 16 inches. And let's take a look at this one. This one is 17 inches, so this one's a little bit longer. And these are faceted crystal rondelles. They're 6 by 4mm in size. And the color is Mystic AB Peach Coral. Such a gorgeous color, guys. Look at that. Look at the gorgeous plating. I don't know if you guys can see that on camera. It is so pretty. Very, very sparkly, and it definitely has a gorgeous AB plating on top. Look at that. I love using orange and blue together. I think it looks really nice together. And I know I'm going to come up with something gorgeous using these two colors. I love it. Let's take a look at this one. This one's an 8-inch strand of 8mm Riverstone Fossil Jasper, and they're in a cream color, as you can see. Now, I don't know much about Riverstone Fossil Jasper, so I really can't comment on that particular gemstone, but I love the color and I love the smoothness of these beads. They're very smooth, and the color definitely reminds me of the beach. I can envision myself on a gorgeous white sand beach. Look at this, guys. Look how pretty these are. So these are going to team up really well with these two colors. And I can't wait to design something with them. I'm going to move these up a little bit and we'll take a look at the other beads. We have some crystals here. These are 4mm bicone crystals. They're faceted and the color is aqua. And you get a total of 50 pieces, which is the equivalent of a 7-inch strand. They look like they're very good quality crystals from what I can tell. Let me put them on a rod so we can take a better look. And here they are on my rod. It's not all of them. I have some left down here. But look how pretty these are, guys. I'm hoping my camera focuses. Sometimes it doesn't focus very well when I have things down below. But I love these crystals. They're so gorgeous and they're almost perfect. They really are. And obviously the color is gorgeous and it's going to go perfectly with this beautiful strand of jasper. And I really love teaming up gemstones with crystals. I just think that's such a gorgeous combination. So we have these transparent crystals and we have these that are more opaque, and that's going to look so gorgeous together. It really is. I can't wait. Let me move them off to the side. And here's a bag of square shell beads in the color golden brown. And aren't they interesting looking? I've seen tons of shell beads, but I've never seen ones that are square. These are so pretty. Oh my gosh. As you can see, we get 6 pieces. They're 15mm in size. And of course, since it's a tropical getaway theme, you have to have shells. Let me put them on a rod. And here they are on my rod. As you can see, they're drilled right through the middle. And they're so pretty. Each one is different, as you can see. And they have this beautiful iridescent shine as I turn the beads. I love how the detail of each bead catches the light. These are going to look so gorgeous outside. And they're definitely going to add a lot of interest to any piece because of the shape and the color. And look how gorgeous they're going to look up against these beads. I can't wait to design something with these. So anyway, I don't know if I'll make a bracelet with these or a necklace. These would actually make a gorgeous bracelet. I'll have to sit down and decide what I'm going to do. But anyway, I love these and I think they're gorgeous. Now, when I first saw these, I thought these were some kind of resin, because I think I've had these before, but in a resin. These are actually magnesite starfish beads. Let me pull them out. So magnesite is a mineral and it comes in very light colors, usually a grayish white or a yellowish white, as you can see. And what I like about these is that they look so real because of the coloring. Now, the only thing I don't know about these beads is how they're made, okay, because they look identical. So obviously they're made in some kind of mold, but it is magnesite and that is a mineral. Let me put them on a rod. And here they are on my rod. Aren't they cute, guys? Oh my gosh, these are so adorable. I love these beads. They look so beachy and they totally remind me of a vacation, a cruise, and they definitely scream Tropical Getaway. And now that I'm thinking about it, I would love to make an anklet with one of these. Wouldn't that look cute? So anyway, guys, that's another possibility. I could make an anklet or an ankle bracelet. I'm going to have to think about it. But look how gorgeous all of these beads look together. Oh my gosh, look at this. The colors coordinate so beautifully. And of course, a tropical theme would not be complete without beautiful coconut wood beads. Let's take a look. Aren't these cute, guys? Look at these. They're not just simple flat discs, okay? They have some kind of carving. Some of the coconut wood beads that I've seen are usually flat, and these are definitely not flat. And look how nice they look stacked up like this. They're definitely going to add a lot of textural interest to whatever piece you make, and they're not all identical, which I really like. And as you can see, some are thicker than others. That is so cool. Sometimes it's nice to have beads that are the same kind of bead but varied in size. I love that, and it's going to really make for a gorgeous, interesting piece. And by the way, we get 12 pieces and they're 9 by 4 millimeters in size. And I forgot to mention the starfish are 14 millimeters in size and the shell beads are 15 millimeters in size. And here's a stunning starfish pendant. It's in an antique brass color and it's 50 millimeters in size. It has a substantial loop at the top, as you can see. It's absolutely gorgeous. I love it. Here's the front. Here's the back. The front has a lot of detail, as you can see. It's so pretty, and I can totally see it teamed up with these other starfish. Look how gorgeous that looks. And then add some of these gorgeous coconut wood beads. Everything in this box looks gorgeous together. It really does. It coordinates so nicely. I know I keep going on about it, but I just love this collection. Next on the list is a toggle clasp, and this one looks very, very interesting. As you can see, it's a mermaid theme, and it's in an antique brass color. Super cute and so appropriate for the theme. Let me look at the other side. It's actually two-sided, so that's a plus. It is absolutely adorable. I love this clasp. I'm definitely going to use this in a bracelet. So beautiful. And here we have a couple of seahorse charms. And they're double-sided as well. Look at that, guys. Aren't they gorgeous? They're 25 millimeters long. And because they're two-sided, you can definitely make a pair of earrings. And as you can see, they have a loop at the top, but they also have a little tail here, which you can totally use to hang beads from. So anyway, these are absolutely adorable. I love them. Let me move these crystals up so I can make some room. Here we have a bag of connectors. As you can see, each one has 2 loops, and they're in a brass color as well. They're 18 millimeters in size, and we get 10 of them. Connectors always come in handy. I can always find a use for them. You can use them to hang drops. You can use them to connect beaded components on a necklace or a bracelet. There are so many uses for connectors or links. And I'm already getting all kinds of inspiration. These are also double-sided, so that's nice. What really amazes me is that all of these metals coordinate. They're all the exact same brass color. And here we have some distressed leather cord. It's 2 millimeters thick. Let me pull it out. Now I'm not sure what the color is. The description says soft, natural, distressed, light brown leather cord. So I don't know if the color is light brown or if it's natural, distressed, light brown. But anyway, whatever it is, it's beautiful. It has a little bit of an orangey tint, okay, which goes really well with these beads. I like that. It's definitely very soft and supple, and it definitely has a distressed look, which I think is beautiful. We get quite a bit. We get 36 inches, so that's plenty to play with, okay? And the other thing that I like about this leather cord is that it's not too stinky, okay? Sometimes you get leather cord that smells really strong, and this one doesn't. And look how beautiful it looks with all these beads. And last but not least is a bonus bag, and this is the beautiful assorted seashell charms. Oh my gosh. Look at this, guys. The description says these are assorted sparkling enamel seashell charms. And once again, the colors are absolutely perfect. Look at this. Look how gorgeous they look together. We have the blue, we have the orange, we have the beautiful off-white. I think this one's rose gold, it looks like. They're so whimsical and so beautiful, and oh my gosh, these are just so gorgeous. Let me look at this one. This one has glitter on it. There's the front. There's the back. This one looks nice in the back as well. They're so pretty, guys. Oh my gosh. I am so inspired right now. I cannot wait to sit down with these gorgeous beads. It's not going to be that difficult for me to come up with something. The most difficult task about jewelry making is selecting the beads, okay? And when somebody does it for you like this, it just makes your job as a designer so much easier. I can't tell you how difficult it is to go out and look for beads and components that coordinate perfectly like this. Sometimes we don't appreciate how much effort it takes to do that, guys. And this, I can tell you, this box is just perfectly curated. It is absolutely gorgeous. So anyway, guys, that's the February edition, and it's absolutely beautiful. I know they're sold out, but maybe if you go to Didi Beads online shop, you might be able to find some of these beads. I don't know. Perhaps Stella can jump in and leave some comments down below to let us know if any of these beads are available on the website. And if you were one of the lucky ones to buy the box, congratulations, because you got yourself a gorgeous collection this month. So anyway, guys, let me go ahead and put this away, and I'll come back and say goodbye. Oh my goodness, I absolutely love that box. I love all the beads. I love everything about it. I cannot wait to sit down and play with those beads. I know I'm going to come up with something, so please come back and check my channel because I'll have a tutorial coming up real soon. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm looking forward to seeing you again. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.